When you are using Palmpay app to do transaction, do you know that you can link other bank like First Bank, Zenith Bank, Access Bank, or any other bank into your Palmpay app? So now, in case you don't know, linking other bank into your Palmpay app is very important because sometimes maybe if you want to buy data or airtime using the Palmpay app and you don't have enough balance on your Palmpay wallet, now through the banks that are linked on your Palmpay app, you can be able to easily use the banks to buy data or airtime into your line instead of going to those bank apps to buy data or transfer money or buy airtime. So in today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can be able to link other banks into your Palmpay app. So without much further ado, let's jump right in.
So I'll come here on my phone and tap on this Palmpay app and open it. If the app opens and loads, now you can see right here at the bottom right, you can see this me icon. Tap on it. So if you tap on it, you can look down here, you can see banks and cards. So I'll tap on banks and cards. Now it will load and bring me into this page to put my bank information. So in this page, what I'll do on this page is that I will link my other bank card. So now right now I have Zenith Bank and I want to link my card to Palmpay so that in case my Palmpay wallet is not having money, I can be able to use my Zenith Bank to do transaction. So you can see here, please enter your card details. So now the first one here is card number. So I'll come here and enter my card number. Okay, if I put my card number, now the next one is, they say, the month and the year of the card. So I'll come here and enter the month and year of the card. That is the expiration month and year. Okay, if I put this, the next one is CVV. So just turn your card the other side and you see 3-digit numbers. So just enter on this CVV here. Now after the CVV, the next one is that you come here and enter your card pin. The card pin is a pin that you use to make transaction on your card. So come here and enter the card pin. Now if you enter the pin, come here down here and click next. Okay, you can see here a verification code has been sent to you. Okay, then just send me a code now. So I'll now copy this code from Zenith Bank. Here's the code here. I'll copy it here and paste here to verify it's me. Now I'll click next. You can see successful. So I've been able to link my card or my bank to Palmpay. So now, as I said, linking your bank card or your bank to Palmpay is very important because sometimes maybe if you want to make transaction on Palmpay and you don't have account on your wallet, now through the Palmpay app, you can be able to use your Zenith Bank app and make transaction. Like for instance, let me say I want to buy data now on Palmpay. Let me go back to my Palmpay dashboard. Okay, now let me say for instance I want to buy data now on Palmpay. I'll come on this data bundle here and tap on it. Here's my phone number I want to buy to. Let me say I want to buy 2 discs for 2.5 gig. I'll come here and tap on it. So you can see right here on my Palmpay here, I don't have money on my wallet. Palmpay is giving me loan through Flexi Credit. So maybe I don't want it and I have money on my Zenith Bank. I'll come here on this all here and tap on it. I can see Zenith Bank here. I'll tap on this Zenith Bank to select it. So if I click on this confirm to pay, means that if I bought this airtime, they will charge from my Zenith Bank, not the Palmpay wallet. So that's how important it is to link other banks to your Palmpay. Now if this tip was impactful, please make sure you click, comment, like and subscribe. Bye.